Hello guys, welcome back to another video! Today I am with my friend and she didn't want her user shown, so I just had to turn on animal names and lower down my screen a bit, but whatever. Anyways, hope you guys are having a great day. I know I am. Anyways, this video won't be long. I know I haven't posted in a while. Literally, my last video was, did AJHQ ban Noel? The answer is yes, they did. I figured that out, but I don't know. But anyways, I'm really busy, so give me 1 second, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. I just had to do something. Anyways, I'm now wearing gazelle horns, and this might just have to be my main look because I love coyotes, and the autumn coyotes are a good addition. Thanks, Animal Jam. I wanted to tell you guys one of my ideas. You know how, like, sometimes you're trying to, do your trading masterpieces? It's so hard if you have sloppy handwriting. It's hard to write with a mouse and all that stuff. So what I think is you could add text to your little thing, and you could write, trading rules and all that stuff. And if it had a bad word in it, then HHQ could just disapprove it. Anyways, yeah, I'm with, oh, I already said that, she so reminds me of Mangle or Phone Time Foxy, just with, clothes, or whatever, I don't know, but, okay, she changed her look. Did she hear me? That's so creepy, that's so weird. She hear me? Yeah, I'm listening to his song. I'm sorry, guys. I have to do that when I'm recording. She looked like One Time Foxy or Mangle. I don't know. I have my standards, but I guess we could be my snow leopard. Anyways, guys, I wanted this video is sort of short, but I'll challenge her to a game, because I'm sort of busy, but I'm just throwing something out there. We can do pairs. Challenge me, Cash. Oh, well, I'm sorry. Oh my god. Sorry. I'm sorry. No, how is that fair? No. Okay. Let me. Okay. I'm dancing to my song. Hey. What? Is she like a cheater for this game? Like, what the heck? No. Let me. You showed me. Oh! Am I gonna beat her? Oh! I'm beating her. No! I'm screwed. Please. Oh my god. you guys enjoyed this video where I beat her. Sorry if you see this and your user is in it. I'm sorry, I can't edit that out. I don't have the skills and I don't have the right money to do this. Okay, so see you. Search my user. Okay, so I'm gonna end it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. My AJ user, which is Culpa86, if you guys didn't know that, but that would be weird because, yeah. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Say bye. Say bye. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and when Queen says bye, I will actually be able to go bye. What'd she say? OMG, I know. Yeah. 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 Say bye to everybody. Come on, we're waiting. He used to try to hack me. Oh! Oh my god! What? Oh my god! OMG! He got banned. He got banned. No way! Did he get banned for? Every time I go to someone, it says Knowles them. Yeah. Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, we'll say say bye. We're waiting. I've literally been zoomed in for her for silence for so long. So say bye. We're waiting. Okay, guys, she finally said it. Okay, bye, guys. See you in the next video. Yeah.